This one stock will surprise everyone. My research suggests it's smart to buy $50 of this before November 12th. This company has $130 million committed from the battery division of Volkswagen. They will in turn give royalty payments back to Volkswagen, similar to how Microsoft and OpenAI's deal started. So the company is QS QuantumScape. They are a battery company, and they are holding up even as the market sells off. It's been a rough week. Battery names are holding up. This one looks awesome. It's not financial advice. The ticker is QS.
Sam Putnam.
This is 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 Sam Putnam. This is Sam Putnam.
So this is the Volkswagen collaboration. So QS has a licensing agreement with this division of Volkswagen. The division provides up to $130 million in payments. So QS isn't making money. And then Volkswagen essentially gets the right to license part of their technology and to basically make a bunch of batteries using their platform, which is licensing the technology. So it's a pre-revenue company. So this is a big deal. It's basically having, a massive company allowing you to start up. And are there red flags? Sure. There's going to be sales. That's going to happen. Looks like this was in just a few days ago. But despite all of that, and despite an earnings season that has been a little bit all over the place, Meta down significantly, a couple other stocks, LRN, FI down very significantly, AMSC down an incredible amount. And so with that backdrop, a stock holding up on earnings, particularly as the market has been falling for what looks like 2 weeks now. Today was a stick save. Still, this company just seems completely unbothered. And we've seen how names like EOSE, for example, EOS Energy, when it's unbothered, even as the market goes down, you can get these massive moves. And earnings was a couple days ago. So this is not an earnings reaction. This is the earnings time right here after hours. And a full day later, we're getting this massive buy candle on, admittedly, it looks like the earnings per share is not great, right? So it's all about what's actually happening in the chart, what buyers and sellers are actually doing, rather than the earnings numbers are less important. And the market itself is definitely having an effect, or however you want to look at it. These companies selling off is having an effect on the market. The big companies, right? NVIDIA, AMD, pretty much every company except for Apple that's big. So when a company's holding and the market sells off, that's a very big vote of confidence. So QS is the name. SLDP is another battery name that's holding. So you have to think there's a reason for this. And now the question is, where do you get in if you're interested in the stock? So this seems like the time to get in. I mean, if you wait until after the 12th, right, which is in, that's Wednesday, it might hang around, it might not. It might go by then. Of course, sometimes these don't work at all. I mean, these ideas, this might just fade off. I mean, the market is very, very choppy. But this definitely seems like the time. serious stick save, a lot of moves down. And if we look back to September, right here, what is this? Like, I don't know, 5 days in a row? This is late August. You can see when there's similar pullbacks that has led to moves up. It's not totally clear what the most similar time is to right now, but we could definitely get green day, some sideways, green day, some sideways, another green day. So I'm not going to continue to talk about macro, particularly the way I'm talking about it, which sounds really dumb, to be honest, which is just looking at it visually. But you know what? I think most people would agree that this could be an opportunity for a move up, given we've just had 12 days in a row, and there isn't some major news event like tariffs. Now, I'm not saying bet on the market. I'm saying bet on a stock that's gone sideways while the market has gone down. And there are times, just as a little note here, where, let's look sometime in mid-September, I think is a smart time to look at this stock, QXPEV. Just stick with me here. I know I sound like I'm going on a wild goose chase here, but let's look at September 23rd, 24th, 25th, okay, in XPEV, right in here. So here, okay, XPEV went up 3 days in a row when the market went down 3 days in a row, okay, that's serious relative strength. Similar to right now, okay, the market went pretty much down for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days in a row at the same time as QS has gone sideways. So what did XPEV do after that? Well, in this case, this is the whole point of this explanation here. Because it was going up while the market was going down, it took a little breather. Okay, XPEV took a breather, went sideways. Whereas QS right now is going sideways while the market is going down. So it hasn't gone up yet. And you can drop any questions in the comments about this, but I believe that is the best way to measure relative strength. I believe QS is the best stock to take advantage of right now. And test me on other stocks, but if a stock goes sideways while the market goes down, that's much better than a stock going up while the market goes down. And I think this is an excellent example, these 3 days in XPEV, where if you bought up here, well, you're going to get stopped out, or worse, get stopped out down here for, a 10% loss, even as the market right in here moved up 2%, okay? Forgetting about Trump and Xi, okay? During this part that was uninfluenced by major news. So that sounds nuanced. I think I'm making it simple. I'm not trying to make it anything but simple. QS is going sideways, market's going down. Battery names are hot. Look no further than SLDP. This is the name. If you like this idea, hit that like button. If you want a free course on how to buy stocks before they go up, hit that subscribe. And if you want to work with me in the Discord, head over to stockscommunity.com. Try it out for 7 days for $25.
This is Sam Putnam. This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam.
This is Sam Putnam. This is Sam Putnam.